Then take a soil and put them into the pot. Put them.
One day is cross very thirsty. Is don't water here and here. Do not find it. After long time, is in a pot. In a little water is in a plant. Where is the people? One by one. Is water stuck and drink and water flapping. The clever pro.
अब ब्रश लेकर और विहान
अच्छा, आपको इसमें से ये वाला which one you want? Which one?
चलो.
High five.
गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा
जय राम कृष्ण हरि
We'll play game before number. Okay. Will tell me two before. Very good. Rudra, tell me four before. Which number? Pari, these all are vowels. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so you find out A letter word. Find out. Yes, very good. Next, one more. Good. Take number one. Sit down. Okay. Now next. Amaira, where is number two? Show me. Now, Aryan, where is number three? Okay. Now next. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Now today we are going to learn story. Story's name is The Crow and the Fox. Now let's start the story.
Normal throw it again. Okay.
तुम्ही सर्वांनी खूप छान शिकवलं मुलांना, त्यामुळे मुलांची चांगली प्रगती पण झाली आणि चांगलं त्यांना शिक्षण पण चांगलं भेटलं. इथं मी सर्वांना सांगू इच्छिते, इथे तुम्ही सर्व मुलांना इथं चांगलं शिक्षण भेटेल. थँक्यू.